Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Simone. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review. Now when it comes to wig reviews and like wig unboxings and all of that, I most likely won't be doing any unboxings because when I get a new wig, I'm really excited. I just want to open it and, you know, put it on. I mean, I'm not going to say I won't do an unboxing, but it probably won't be a first impression, you know, especially if I open it and I hate it. I'm probably not gonna want to do a video on it, but yeah, so let's get into the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. One of my videos is at almost 15,000 views. I don't know how that happened, but keep up the good work. So yeah. Alright, so this is the wig. I'm gonna put it on in a second, but I just wanted to show you like the construction, the specs, all that. This is the wig. It is the Freetress Equal Freedom Part Lace Front Wig. It's called Freedom Part Lace 204, and it's in the color 1B. So here's the stock card. And yeah, look how long this wig is. Like, this is a good, I don't know, I'm not really good with inches with wigs, but I want to say that this is maybe 24, 28. I don't know. When I try it on, you guys can let me know how long you think this is, but it goes past my butt. The hair is so soft. It barely tangles. I mean, we'll see how it lasts after maybe like a night out, but this wig barely tangles, which is really surprising because it's so long. This is the inside of the wig. So it has two combs right here, a comb in the back, and then this is the parting. It's not like what's it called, like a closure wig. It just has like parting for a middle part. I guess you can shift the wig from side to side to do like a side part or whatever, but I probably won't be doing that. And also what I like about this wig, oh, and it has an adjustable strap, you know, the usual. What I like about this wig is that it has this like rubber detailing on the inside. Let me go like that. That's just like really gonna help the wig to stay on your head. Now I watched a review on this before I bought it, and the girl said that she didn't think it was gonna be big head friendly. But then I watched a review on the actual website that I got it on, and it said it was really stretchy. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take a risk. If anything, I'll just sell it if I don't like it. So yeah, I have tried this wig on, and I tried it on over my hair, like not even braided down or even twisted really. My hair was in like a bun, and I just put on my head and it fit. So if it can fit over all my hair and I kind of have a big head, then it's definitely big head friendly. So let me go ahead and stop messing with this wig and put it on for you. So this is the wig. Wow, this is the longest wig I've ever had. This is the longest hair I've ever had. This is that you can't even spell Prague Nicki Minaj wig. Like, you can't even spell Prague. It is so long. I feel like Rapunzel or something. What I do like about this wig is that the ends are kind of thin, so it looks pretty natural. I know when people get like long bundles, the ends tend to be like really thin. People like, ew, that's ugly. I wouldn't say it's ugly. You just have to make sure it's brushed because you don't want it to look stringy. But yeah, this is her. I'm gonna do a separate video on how I put my wigs on. I didn't want to do that today because I'm not gonna say it's a whole process, but a lot of people ask me how I do it, so I'm just gonna do a whole separate like instructional video on how I do that. But yeah, and then I guess I'll stand up so you can see how long this goes. Like, I don't know if you can see. Probably didn't see my feet there actually, but yeah, it goes past my butt. Like, that's crazy. I need to give her a name. If you guys have a name for this wig, I feel like, I don't know, she needs something exotic. She needs an exotic name. So if you think of a name for this wig, put it in the comments below, DM it to me. Yeah, so I really don't know what else to say. I keep touching it. I don't even know how I'd feel about wearing this wig out. I feel like I'd be a little self-conscious because it's so long. Like, I don't know, man. Oh, and I don't have a wig cap on or anything. But like I said, I'm gonna do a whole separate video on how to put my wigs on. This has a nice, it kind of has like layering in it. Wait, does it? Am I lying? Yeah, it kind of has like slight layers in it, so it's not just like all one length. There's still some like dimension to it. But yeah, this is her. I was trying to wear this like extra shirt to go with this extra wig, and I got makeup on it, and it really made me sad, so I had to put this shirt on. It's not the same, but you know. So I brushed the hair a little bit because I was messing around in it, but it is so soft. It really feels like human hair. It's super shiny. Look, you know how they be doing the videos on Instagram, like, but look how shiny it is. Like, oh, I love her. The only thing I'm worried about is sitting on her and like it comes off or gets caught in a door or something. I'm out of breath because I was dancing. But yeah, I don't understand how people have hair this long in real life though. Like, I could never. I wouldn't be able to deal with it even if it was straight. Like, this is too much. But I love her. But yeah, I don't have too much to say about this wig. I'm gonna put a link to it down below. I kind of had a hard time finding it, so you might have to search through a couple websites. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. DM me with any suggestions you have or any videos that you want to see me do, and I'll see you later. Bye.